Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in today again. So today we'll be making a DIY lace tint spray. So instead of going to buy the one you see off the shelf for thousands of naira, you can just do this at home with the simple hack I'm going to show you. So you're going to need a spray bottle. It can be as little as mine, it can be as big as whatever, depending on what you want. You're going to need your foundation. Your foundation, because the essence of the spray on the lace is so that the net area is going to look like your scalp, as if your hair is growing off your head. The wig you're wearing is growing off your scalp. So I have two foundations. This is lighter, this is darker, just personal preference. Then this is the most important thing in all of this that you're going to need, which is your, some people call it spirits, like methylated spirits, right? So yeah, this is it. So you could just get this or anyone. And we're going to be using this. You could get pebbles, anything that could create just something like this. You'll see why we need this as we proceed in the video. All right. So I'm going to put some of this foundation into this spray bottle. I'm going to put some amount of this into the bottle. Yeah, so that's it. I don't want to put too much because this is just to show you. So depending on what you want, yeah, this is just okay for me. I discontinued this one because for some reason it's not coming out of the bottle, so we're just gonna stick with this. So you see, I put the spirit inside and I'm going to put these pebbles. The essence of this is so that it can shake well with everything, like it can mix well with everything inside. Of course, you can do without this step if you don't have anything like it in the house, but it's just easier. So now we're done mixing this together. Just make sure you mix as much, mix it well. So I had to add more methylated spirit because remember I told you this foundation is a bit, it's a shade darker, so that it is not so dark. So yeah, this is what it looks like after mixing. And I have this salvettes, or you could get a tissue paper, just something to spray it on to see what it looks like, and be sure it's a consistency you are okay with. So we're going to try ours. So here, I think I'm okay with this. Just put that against my skin. I think I'm okay with it. So let's try it on the wig. So we're going to be spraying it on this closure wig, and yeah, just watch to see what we get at the end of the day. So we're done spraying. Next thing, I'm going to use the hand dryer to dry this. And we're done. We're done. And hold on, let me keep this. And this is what it looks like at the end of the day. Let me put it against my skin. Hmm, I think I like it. What do you think? So this for me is perfect. Okay, so this is really perfect. I would wear this comfortably and be okay, and I don't have to worry about this place looking whitish or a bit lighter than what my natural skin tone looks like. Then imagine when I rock this on a baby hair. All eyes on me when I enter the patio. Eh. Okay, so this is it. Always remember you can always add more if you feel like the mixture you have is too light. You can always add more. I would have wanted to mix the both of them, but this unfortunately is not coming out. There's a beautiful blend that comes out, assuming you're not able to get your shade, or we have to do this for clients and for customers. Sometimes I just ask customers to tell me their shade, or whatever. If you mix something lighter and something darker, you're going to get a very beautiful balance. So that's why I had to add more of the methylated spirit, just so that I don't get something too dark. So this consistency is perfect for me, and you can see it's dried up on the salvet paper, and yeah, I think this is fine. So you can always add more, but try to put it in beats, because when you've mixed it and it's too dark, oh, the only remedy could be to just keep adding methylated spirit, and I don't know if you are ready for that. So it's best you put it little at a time, and yeah, that's it. So this is what we have, and we're done. Would you try this? Let me know.